What if the planet stopped being a passenger and took the wheel? Right now, hidden switches are being flipped across Earth. Switches that, once triggered, keep warming the planet, even if we suddenly stopped all emissions tomorrow. These are called tipping points, and we are closer to them than most of us want to admit. Let's start with the basics. For thousands of years, Earth's climate has been remarkably stable, like a giant, slow-moving machine. But we humans have been pressing the accelerator harder and harder by pumping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. For a long time, the planet just absorbed the push. Imagine the Amazon rainforest as one giant green lung. It pulls billions of tons of carbon dioxide out of the air every single year. But scientists have discovered that huge parts of it are already drying out and dying. If too much of the Amazon turns into savanna, it will release massive amounts of stored carbon and stop absorbing new carbon. That's one tipping point. And it's not alone. The ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica are another. They reflect sunlight like giant mirrors. As they melt, darker ocean water takes their place and absorbs even more heat. More heat means faster melting. It's a self-reinforcing loop. And then there's the permafrost in the Arctic. Frozen ground that contains twice as much carbon as the entire atmosphere. As it thaws, it releases methane, a gas that traps heat 80 times more powerfully than CO2. Once that process starts in earnest, it becomes almost impossible to stop. But here is the other side of the story, and it's important. We are not powerless. Every fraction of a degree we prevent matters. Every forest we protect, every ton of carbon we keep out of the air, every policy we support, they all push those tipping points further away. Countries like Costa Rica are already running on nearly 100% clean energy. Solar and wind are now cheaper than fossil fuels in most places. Technology and human determination are moving faster than ever. The truth is, the next decade will decide whether we cross these dangerous thresholds or not. The planet doesn't have a plan. We do. We are the only species that can understand what's happening and choose to change course. So the next time someone tells you it's too late, remember this. Tipping points work both ways. The same systems that can spiral out of control can also be nudged back toward balance if we act with urgency and courage. The future isn't written yet. We still get to write the next chapter. Thanks for watching. If this made you think, hit like and share it with someone who needs to see it. What tipping point worries you most? Tell me in the comments. Stay curious and stay hopeful. See you in the next video.